Want to start earning money before 2025 ends? You might think it's too late, but the truth is there are opportunities all around you. Today, I'm going to share 5 practical ways you can start earning now, even if you have little to no experience. These strategies are designed to be actionable and flexible so you can pick the one that suits your lifestyle best. Number 5, embrace remote work. The future is remote, and this trend is only growing. Companies are hiring people from all over the world for roles in marketing, data analysis, programming, design, and more. You don't need to relocate or commute. Your skills are your ticket. If you're just starting, focus on learning in-demand skills. Online courses in digital marketing, web development, or data analytics can get you ready in weeks. Once you have the skills, platforms like LinkedIn, Remote, Co, and Upwork are perfect for finding your first remote job. Number 4, renewable energy is booming. Solar, wind, and other clean energy industries are growing faster than ever. This isn't just good for the planet, it's also a chance to grow your money. You can invest directly in clean energy companies or explore ETFs that focus on green energy. Even small investments can compound over time. The key is to research, start small, and stay informed about trends. Renewable energy isn't just a future trend, it's happening now, and those who act early can benefit financially. Number 3, explore the gig economy. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning money with flexibility, whether it's driving for Uber or Lyft, delivering for DoorDash, completing small jobs on TaskRabbit, or freelancing online through Upwork. The opportunities are endless. The gig economy lets you work on your schedule and scale your income based on your effort. Even if you don't have a degree or prior experience, platforms are designed to get you started quickly. With consistent effort, it's possible to see results within weeks. Number 2, crypto and blockchain are full of opportunities, from investing in cryptocurrencies to creating blockchain-based solutions. This sector is growing rapidly, but here's the key: invest smart and don't just follow hype. Learn about the technology, understand the risks, and explore different projects before putting your money in. Even if you're not investing, blockchain offers opportunities in NFT creation, decentralized apps, and freelance services for crypto projects. It's a fast-changing digital world. Being informed can put you ahead. Here's number 1, e-commerce and dropshipping. This is one of the fastest ways to start a business with minimal upfront costs. Focus on finding a niche, something in demand but not overly competitive. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy make it easy to set up a store quickly. Combine your store with smart online marketing through social media or paid ads, and you can start generating sales fast. The key is to experiment, learn from results, and continuously optimize your approach. So there you have it, 5 actionable ways to start earning money before 2025 ends. Whether you choose remote work, renewable energy, gig opportunities, crypto, or e-commerce, the most important thing is to start. Take one step today, learn as you go, and watch your efforts grow into real income. Don't wait. Your future is now.